In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the owner of a Google form and switch ownership easily. Whether you're handing off responsibilities to a colleague, transferring management of a project, or just need to reorganize, changing the owner of a Google form is a straightforward process. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to ensure you're logged into the Google account that currently owns the form. It's important to be signed in to the correct account because only the current owner has the authority to transfer ownership. Open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive, where your Google form is saved. If you're having trouble locating it, remember that you can always use the search bar at the top and type the name of the form to quickly find it. Once you've located the specific form, right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From these options, you'll want to choose Share. This action will open a window where you can manage the sharing settings for the form. The Share Settings window is something you might recognize from other Google Drive applications like Docs or Sheets, so it should feel quite familiar. In this window, you'll notice a section that shows who currently has access to the form. To transfer ownership, you need to ensure that the person you're transferring the form to already has access. If they don't yet have access, simply type in their email address in the Add People and Groups field and click the drop-down arrow next to the email field. Here, select Editor to give them editing privileges initially, then click Send. They will receive an email invitation to edit the form. Only after they've accepted the invitation can you proceed with transferring ownership. Now, return to the Shared Settings window. Next to the person's name, there will be a drop-down menu showing a set of roles. Initially set to Editor. You will need to expand this menu. From here, you can select the Make Owner option. Once you select this, a confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure about changing the ownership. Review the details, double-check that you're transferring to the correct person, and once confirmed, click Yes or Confirm. And there you have it. The ownership of the Google form has now been successfully transferred. The new owner will now have full capabilities, including removing your access if they choose to. Remember, as the previous owner, your role will shift to an editor once the transfer is complete, so be sure that's what you intend before finalizing the change. I hope this guide has made the process clear and straightforward. With these steps, you can confidently manage and delegate responsibilities within your team or organization. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.